Hello everyone, so today is just a quick project. It's a planting varietas project. As you can see, they're not doing well. They need some interest in them, and so I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna flip the camera to show you what I found in supermarkets, which were really inexpensive and is gonna add an impact right away. So these calunas were, I have 6 in there. It's a nice pack of 6, and they were between 6 and 7 euros the pack. I have these violas, must be Aldi or Lidl. I have these baby chrysanthemums that I bought, as you should, as buds, but I waited too long, so now they're in flower, so they need to go straight away in the planters. And I have one ornamental kale. So these things were bought, and these I had them growing, leafing out in the garden. These are the usual muscari, and I think they naturalized themselves, so I have more than what I planted a few years ago. So I'm gonna add a few in the planters. So let's see how this goes. So this seems not bad. The railer, I think you say, is fitting into this potting station. So I have the 4 others waiting there. So I'm gonna try and do something nice. Let's see what I can come with. So first I'm taking off dead plants if there are any, and the mulch that I'm putting there. And what I'm thinking of doing is putting one of these there, one mum there, 2 violas in each one, so maybe one there, one there, we'll see, and a few bulbs. Let's see. So now I'm tackling the last one. I just wanted to add, when I find plants that I can still use, I put them to the side and gonna repot them and maybe give them. Like this one, it was a red pelargonium and I don't like them, but maybe someone can do something. I try to take out all the weeds I don't want in the trailers, and I'm gonna try and save some plants that can come back next year, so we'll see. Okay, I'm done for today, but I'm filthy. So I'm gonna turn the camera around again and I'm gonna show you the end result. So first off, I am very happy / proud of what I managed to do with not a big budget. And so in my garden I'm not doing a lot of repetition, but look, every planter is the same, almost. So I'm gonna show you. As I said, I planted 2 violas, 1 mum and 1 caluna, and some muscari bulbs all the sides, and I have already some things growing in there that I left. I'm not sure if there are bulbs or not, but we'll see. But for the rest, they're all looking nice and the same. And now people and myself have something to look for, so to look at. So I had some remaining plants, so I decided to make one small pot there with the cabbage / kale, the mum, and the caluna. I didn't add bulbs because I find it difficult for me. I'm not organized enough to know exactly when they're all finished what was inside, so I decided just to go for this. And who knows, maybe these are not gonna look good comes November or December, so we'll see what I do with that. And here I put it up the plants that were still usable, and they're gonna stay there. They need to be watered, but the planters are already done. So that was I'm still a bit late for my appointment, but I managed to do this quite quickly. So I hope this was enjoyable to watch, and most of all that it inspired you to do some autumn/fall planting, and that it gave you ideas either to do something similar or to do something very different. And I'd love to hear about what you are gonna do. So see you in the comments. Bye.